Hello guys, quick video, no time for video. So today I'm working on 2013 Nissan Maxima. This vehicle, the customer complained no AC working. Let's try to start it. See, with the AC, the fan on right now, the AC button on and fueling a little bit. Yep, I don't see it cold at all right now. So that's first thing to do. I would like to check for the fan condition first, the radiator fan condition, by turn off the AC, even turn this on. And with the engine running right now, and we go there and see the fan, for some reason the fan running with the key on, engine run, key on, engine off, or like the normal condition. Yeah, with the engine running right now guys, as you can see, the fan right there, hopefully you guys can see in the video, and behind the little connector right there, the fan is off right now. That's a normal condition right now. So back in the car and then turn the AC on to see. Yep, AC on now. To check for the fan. Yep, as you can see the fan running right now. Yep, you can see the video. It's super hot, everything blocked away. As you can see, yeah, believe me, the fan running right now. Let's check for the AC compressor. As you can see down there, the AC connector, AC compressor not engaged. As you can see, this thing. Okay guys, right now we found we don't have the AC compressor clip engaged right now, and no pumping at all. But the reason we don't know yet, as you can see here, the AC compressor at the left front of the engine. So we found we don't have the clutch engaged on the compressor with the AC on, engine run. Anyway, we check to see from the fuel box. I would like to see, this is the AC relay. Before that we have the 41 field 10 amp field right here. If the field broken, it relay not send the power to the compressor inside the fuel box here. This one the built-in relay. Anyway, Nissan stock. Anyway, we have the open circuit in here. There's also no power to the compressor, and we have the broken wire open circuit on the wire from the pin 48 on the fuel box. There's a white wire, and also no power to the compressor. If we missing the ground on the black wire to go to the clutch coil here, also the clutch is not working. First thing I would like to do, the easy start from the field relay box. And right here I will check the white wire to see when the AC on. Right here, right here we have the power or not. And next step we'll access to the AC compressor and check on this to see if the power is in all the way down here, to check for the open circuit. And the final step I will check for the ground here, go to the clutch coil or not. Yeah, as you can see on the connector here, the white wire right here for the AC compressor. Yep, I would like to check from here to see, normally with the engine off, key off, I would like to see the ground right here. The ground from body ground to go to the clutch coil and go back up here after the relay by using this. Right now I got nothing to say in here, but now I still don't believe the connection in here with the pin. Sometimes you guys press the pin to the behind the wire, we call the back pro here, and check. We don't have anything. Don't believe it yet, because if you don't have a good connection here, you also no reading at all. Now I would like to go back inside the car and turn the AC to see we have the power there, or to check for the relay, the circuit, everything before the AC compressor. Now with the key on, the engine run, the AC on. But I would like to see here, also check for the pin connection and power sent out from the relay to this wire. Yep, I got the power here, but now you guys might confuse what the power is right here. This power is the relay send the power to the clutch coil. Okay, let me leave everything alone right here and go back inside the car, get the AC off. And you can see my finger here, AC off. Yep. And then we'll check that again. Yeah, we got nothing. Hope you guys hear in the video. I leave it like that. And just hope you guys hear in the video, or let me get one more microphone to put it closer to the tool right there. You guys might hear in the video. Yep, I have another microphone here. Let's turn it on. Yep, it's on right now. And I'll put it right here for you guys. Easy to see it. Yep, easy to hear in the video. Right now the tool say nothing. And touching the pin, hopefully. Go ahead and turn on the AC. Send the power there. Let you guys hear that. Okay, turn off. Quit. Turn on. Yes. Quit. It's how it quit right now. On. Then off. Okay, back to here the wiring diagram. As you guys can see earlier, I put the iPad Pro the wire right here. That means the electronic everything control the relay and the power sending here. But now we don't know from the big pin to the AC compressor, the open wire here, or maybe. But anyway, when I put the pin right there, I check for the pin connection to get power here. But I don't have any ground reading on the tool. Maybe open circuit here, or maybe the coil open circuit, or maybe missing the ground for me before the coil. So now, no question about that. We have the power. We don't worry about the relay. We can able to close this box. We don't do anything with this anymore. Okay, guys. In order to access the AC compressor connector right there, and right here, as you can see, on the front passenger side wheel already removed, and also the cover here with some plastic clip right here removed, and as you can see, the AC compressor connector right there, right at the coil. I have one T-pin right there. I will put another T-pin on the ground wire, and let me turn off the camera and put the T-pin in, and we continue from there and let you guys see what's going on with this AC compressor. Okay, guys, already have two T-pin put in each wire. As you can see, the left one that transfer on the black wire, another one maybe on the red or orange wire right there. And you can see I use the power probe set on the black wire pin. Yeah, we have the ground right there, but don't believe what the two read in the ground. We have to check by the test light to see the voltage drop. If it drop all the way down to 0, the AC clutch is also not working. And we have the ground here, and we also don't have the ground on another pin. What that means this ground is not going to the coil, go back here, or this pin is not good connection from inside. By how we check for the connection, also check for the power by turn on the engine and turn on the AC again. Okay, quick video. Yeah, the AC on right now, guys. Go back there and check on the pin to see the relay send the power all the way to the compressor or open circuit somewhere on the way. Okay, guys, back to here, and you can see again. Be careful if you don't have good connection on the pin. When we touching, we don't have 0 reading. No power, no ground. That means anything. No power because open wire somewhere. You might be wrong because the pin is not good connection. Let me check. Yep, we have the power reading now, but that means the relay send the power all the way to the plus, but the plus is not engaged. By now, I'm thinking, what? Let me check for the voltage drop on the ground side. By I don't know. It's safe for me with the pulley running like this. With I don't know. Let me do this for you guys, easy to see. Yep, right. The AC on, engine running right now. Everything you do right there. Make sure safety first. And use this wire. Don't cut the light. Okay. Carefully. Just don't touch. Yep, I have the connection there. By the end of the wire, I will touch to see. Yep, we have the power. And let me go back with the test light to check on the ground side. Yep, we don't need the test light anymore from here. Yep, with the power probe back on. Yeah, don't. Yep, let's see here. Oh shit. Yep. Sure. Get back here. Let me use the satellite to put on the power here. That means I have the power connection to the satellite. Power connected to the satellite right now. And I would like to check for the ground side to see the voltage drop by touching the pin on the black wire carefully. Yep, we have the satellite light up. Oh shit. What is this? You can see the spark from the tip of the satellite. Yep. Oh shit, what? What is headline này outside. What that means? That means we don't have a problem with the ground side to the AC compression. And the answer is this vehicle needs a new AC compression. That's it guys for this video, and quick video, quick check. And as you guys can see, you guys got a problem with your car, follow the video and quick check something you need to do, something you're not, and you know how the circuit integrity working, and easy to find the problem on your vehicle. That's it guys, thanks for watching, see you guys next time. Bye bye.